Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I thought I would take you along on what I am sure will be a super disastrous orchid haul unboxing, because I honestly don't really want to be alone when I unbox these orchids. Now, how do I know it's going to be a total utter fail? Well, because this box spent 35 days on transport. Oh yes, it is coming from Orchids Deluxe, which is one of my favorite nurseries. And if you check their transport section, you would see that they do ship with DHL, except for Cyprus. What do they use for Cyprus? PostNL. And oh boy, don't I love PostNL lately. They lost a package. They delivered one in a month and a week. And here we are today, another package delivered after 1 month. So, do I expect the orchids that are in here to be alive or in good shape? Absolutely not. But you know what? Maybe we're gonna have surprises. Anyway, ever since this package, I did further discuss with Orchids Deluxe, and they are looking into a different type of carrier for my location. I hope they find a solution because I really like their orchids, but until they figure it out, I'm just going to stick with my eBay guy for orchids, and whatever he has available and I want, I will buy, but it will be slim pickings for me for a while. It's okay. Side note though, with other countries, I don't seem to have an issue. Dig this, I actually ordered some seeds for my second channel, which if you don't know, you'll find it in the description, or you can just search MissOrchidGirl too, and you'll find it on YouTube. So I ordered these seeds off eBay with standard post from the UK, and guess what? They arrived in 4 days. Are we joking here? Are we living on the same planet? I don't think we are. All right, so let's get to the business at hand here. All right, so we have some good news and some bad news. The good news is I see something green. The bad news is I'm realistic. But if this is the cattleya that I got, it might still be alive. Oh, these pots, oh man. Alrighty, so it's still alive. Okay, so this is Siamese doll kiwi, which I already have. However, I don't know if I have a good specimen. It's never growing quite right for me, and for other people I've seen that it grows quite fast and nice, so I am willing to consider that mine might have an issue. Cough cough, fusarium, cough cough. So I decided to get another one and see if there's any difference, because I'm just so tired to wait around for my Siamese doll kiwi. Okay, so at least one is alive, and thank goodness there are some accessories here as well. So let me put this somewhere. Okay, next one. Ooh, I can already tell you, we're not gonna have such a good time with this one. Oh boy. Okay, so this is Bulbophyllum masterianum. I even forgot what I ordered at this point. I ordered some really nice Bulbophyllums, and you know what? I think I can save this guy. However though, this used to be a new growth. Okay, it might actually not be rotten. This one is gone. Whether it was a new growth or flower spike, it's gone, whatever it was. I think I can save this orchid. And if this is not rotten and it's actually just lacking chlorophyll, then I think we might be good with this one as well. You know what? I might follow up this unboxing with a saving my orchids video. Do you guys want that? I'm up for it. Well, if there's something to save, that is, I don't know. So 2 down, let's continue. Next one, I don't see anything. No leaf, no nothing. I do see leaves. Oh, please be alive. I think it's still alive. Look at this. Yeah, I got quite a few Bulbophyllums, by the way. This is Bulbophyllum medusae. I've always wanted this Bulbophyllum. Look at him. Oh, it's so dehydrated. But I think he's gonna be okay. Another growth that is very yellow. And as long as it's not rotten, I can fix this. Remember the Oranges video, which I don't know when I posted, but I filmed a month ago at this point. Well, that one was ordered quite a few months ago, and it spent 1 month on transport, time in which it grew a brand new leaf, but because it was dark, the plant didn't allocate chlorophyll into that leaf. And exposed to light, it greened up within a matter of days, really. So I'm pretty optimistic. They will still need a lot of work. Probably they will be very set back, but I just want these guys to be alive. It's not even about the money at this point, because I could get a refund, but it's a waste of plants. I don't want these plants to die. Okay, so far so good, I have to say. I'm feeling a little better about it. Now, if these plants were packed dry, we should be good. We shouldn't have anything rotting. Just super dehydrated, which could be okay. Ooh, this one does not look so good. This is Leptotis bicolor. I have another Leptotis because, well, I didn't think this package would ever arrive and I just purchased one from Orchid Man. Ooh, I have a plan with this one. I have such a cute setup with this one. Yay, okay. Very, very stressed and very dehydrated and very discolored. But it looks savable. I am shocked. I'm so happy. Okay, so how many? 4 down. And so far so good considering, right? This is going good. Oh no. Maybe it's still savable. This is Paphiopedilum henrianum. It's such a good looking path. And look at it. You know what? I still believe it's savable. Ooh, these roots are not desiccated. All right. Sadly, it fell out of its pot, and of course it did. What do you expect from these types of pots? It's okay. I think it's savable, you guys. It looks bad, and these guys do not like drought, but it does not look dead. That's the standard here. If it's not completely scorched and dried, that's good. And one more orchid. I really don't know how many I got. It should be another bulbophyllum. All right, so guess what? My camera just stopped working because it didn't want to work anymore. So I didn't get to film the last orchid and also the accessories. So let me just show you them really, really fast. So I got myself some fertilizer, slow release fertilizer, high K Osmocote, because you can never have enough fertilizer. Also, I have a balanced fertilizer here to try out, because here's the issue. I am running out of MSU. In a few months, probably I'll be out. And the thing is, the European Union, or at least my country, made the rules even stricter than they used to be. So now it is forbidden to import fertilizers or soils that are not coming from the European Union. I went through a whole fiasco the last time that I received a Repotny package which contained the banned products, and the ministry was involved, and I almost had to pay for their destruction, and they kind of figured out that, hey, I'm just a person. I don't have big quantities there. I didn't know. I wasn't trying to import to sell and everything, so they left me off the hook, but I don't want to go through it again. So until Repotny starts to sell in Europe, which is a longer process, which became even longer with the current situation, I'm just looking into some alternatives for the moment. And I do want to try this guy out. I don't know what brand it is. It's just an Orchids Deluxe fertilizer, and I liked the specs, but I don't know what it's capable of. And this thing, well, I have a tutorial coming soon on mounting orchids, and at the time I didn't actually have any cork mounts available, so I decided to buy a tiny little one from Orchids Deluxe, and this is what I received. So either I didn't read properly the dimensions, either they sent me the wrong product. Anyway, so these are the accessories, and let me just show you the orchids, plus the orchid you didn't see me unpack, which is alive, by the way. Woohoo! And here are the orchids arranged in the only fashion in which they would sit. The last one that you guys missed was the Bulbophyllum Fascinator variety Alba, and look at him, he's alive. He even has a tiny new growth right here. And to be fully honest, I'm just ready to throw a party at this point because I was not expecting all of these guys to still be alive. So the next step that I will do is to start the rejuvenation and rehabilitation process with these orchids. And you know what? I will take you along. I will film it. It's going to be a different video, but thank you guys so much for assisting me today. This wasn't a total lost cause, which is good. But yeah, you guys, can you believe it? 35 days in the post office. The luck was that they were packed okay. They weren't packed soggy. Even the Bulbophyllum, which was just slightly damp, we don't have a lot of issues with it. And I'm just bewildered that I didn't unbox a bunch of dried leaves. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to start the process of rehabilitation. So stay tuned for that video. And with that said, again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll link you down below, of course, to the nursery. It's a really good nursery. I have no complaints. This was a very big misfortune, and I hope they find another transport solution for me. But in case they don't, I will have to take a pause from this nursery, at least until the post sorts its problems out. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll just stop complaining. So with that said, hope you have a great day. Subscribe to my channel for more orchid videos, tutorials, experiments, updates, and other fun orchid subjects. If you wish to support the channel, do consider becoming a member or visit the merch store linked down below in the description. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's always nice to stay in touch there as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!